I'm going to show you how you can easily dye a synthetic wig with RIT synthetic dye more, and I use the color graphite just so I can have a dark gray silverish color. And I started out using the cap just to kind of measure how much dye I was using, but in the end I ended up using all of it. And all you have to do is mix it into water that's temped at 150 to 160 degrees. If you go any higher than that, it can melt the fibers in your wig. So check on the packaging of whatever wig that you have and see how high the temperature can be. Basically all I did was mixed the dye in with the water, dipped the ends of the hair in just to test it to see what color it was going to end up, and then I just ended up putting the entire wig just in the water and covering it completely. After the wig was completely covered, I let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes just so it could soak in all the color it was going to, and then I just rinsed it with cool water. This is the color it ended up being with just a couple capfuls, which wasn't, when it was dry, it wasn't as dark as it looks. So I decided to redo it all over again, like I said in the beginning, and just poured pretty much the rest of the bottle into the water that was temped at 160 degrees again. After the hair had been rinsed, and this was still after the first couple times that I decided to go with the lighter color, and then I went through and just did the roots a darker mixture of the gray, just because the roots on the wig were originally really dark, so I decided to just try and shadow root them, I guess. It ended up not working, so that's why I went through with the rest of the bottle and re-dyed the wig completely. So if you just wanted to bypass and get the color that I got at the end at the beginning, then just go ahead and just temp your water at 150, pour the whole bottle in, and then you're good. After the last 45 minutes of the wig sitting in the dye, I just rinsed it in cold water and let it set overnight just to dry, and the clips at the end are what the final color was. So thank you for watching.